Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and one of the weird glitches that was fixed with the Windows update is the bizarre recycle bin name problem. When you were erasing a file from the recycle bin, it would actually not give you the name of that file, but rather a weird string of numbers and characters and stuff. So that is something that's been fixed. Actually, it's been fixed with the preview update of June. But since most people wait and don't look at Windows Update, it applied with your Patch Tuesday updates of yesterday. So now, if you take a file and you want to delete it, you will have the proper name show up in the video. So that is now fixed with this update. So here we go. So yep, that is something that now is okay with the recycle bin that was kind of weird. And here we go. No desktop icons. So if you were wondering, yep, that is fixed. Some people are asking the question, and like I said, it was actually fixed last week when we got the last 2 weeks when we got the preview updates for June. That fix was in there, and most people actually apply these updates when you have Patch Tuesday. So that's why most tech sites will talk about new features on Windows updates and a Patch Tuesday, because for most people, those arrive only on Patch Tuesday. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.